Hey guys, this is TJ with HD Pocket Doors. We are here in the Pocket Door Workshop. We're going to do a little tour of kind of what we do on a day-to-day basis. And we got a couple special projects going right now. We have the Cavi Slider Multi-Stacking unit. This is a 3-door unit. We got the walnut slats on one side. All 3 of these doors come out of the same pocket. And this is a display that we're going to be putting in our showroom to kind of showcase this track and hardware system. All 3 doors have soft close open. It's a pretty unique setup here. We're just working on getting it in rolling frame right now. This one's going to be the HAWA PORTA push to open, so this will have a soft open and a soft close, and then when your door is inside of the pocket, you can actually push the face of it and it pops out of the pocket, so you don't need to have an edge pull or anything on it. This part of our warehouse is where we stock our LVL for our header assemblies. All of our steel is on both sides. We have quite the vast amount of steel. We go through a lot of steel. Behind you here, we got our track. This is our CS track. 10 footers, 12 footers, 16 footers, black anodized and clear anodized. With the amount of frames that we're pushing out, always got to have a healthy supply of track. Making our way over this way, this is Dougal's area here. He is our steel post manufacturer. I'll pull all the steel off of the shelves, cut it to length. He rips his cladding for the split jambs, screws it on. He's a one-man show over here. Takes care of all of our steel. Behind us here, we got our track cutting area. This is aluminum saw. Got the vacuum set up, and then our table saw and our tabletop router here. This is where most of the LVLs get cut and our split jambs get cut, rounded off here. We got basically every tool you could ever ask for woodworking. We are never short on what we need to get the job done. Planer here. This is our Poplar and our Alder section. The Alder wood we use for our pallets, so if you were to buy 8 or 10 frames from us, we're gonna put them on a pallet, and we make all of our own pallets here. We do not skimp on quality. We make sure they're just as HD as all of our HD pocket door frames. Over here we got Joe's area. This is where we got our miter saw. He basically cuts all the material for Norm to put together these frames. He's a one-man show over here also. Let's head to the back. For our shipping area, everything gets put on these shelves right here with the labels facing out. You might see some of your company names on the front of these headers here, but this is our staging area for shipping. Once Norm puts the headers together, and Dougal cuts the steel, everything's put on the shelves, and then Mike, our shipping manager, he'll put them in a box, send them out. Anywhere from 15 to 30 frames every day we're shipping out of here. So if you're gonna get an order from us that has maybe 4 or more 8-foot frames, we're gonna build you a custom pallet. We're gonna stack it like this. It's gonna get shipped out freight. We believe it's safer in transit, and it's a lot easier for us to send out a big order like this on a pallet. And these are long frames, so day-to-day transportation through UPS or FedEx, a lot of times these get thrown around, driven over with a forklift. So we take the care, put your frames on a pallet, and we ship it in the back of a freight truck. We don't want to see anything damaged when it shows up to our customers. We take a lot of pride in the pallets that we build to ship out our custom orders. This is a manufacturing area for the header assemblies. Norm has all of his soft close, soft open mechanisms, all of his shorter tracks behind him. He'll put all the headers together right here on this table. Got a drill for everything. Speaking of Norm, here he is right here. Say hi, Norm. This area, we have some of our pre-cut tracks. This is our black anodized and our clear anodized CS for the HDPD frames. We always cut everything down to size, makes it a lot quicker production when you have pre-cut tracks for your standard door sizes like 28, 30, 32, 36. So everything's there for pre-cut. Back into our post bracket assembly area. Tony runs this area, and here we have our flat bar and our 2-inch cups. We're basically getting an order ready for the welder right now. We got our cups swedged out on the bottom. This is going to head off to the welder before we take it to powder coat. When it comes back, it's going to look just like that. So, pretty long process, a lot of moving parts in our frame. All right, thanks for taking the tour of our workshop here, guys. If you're interested in getting a pocket frame for yourself, visit our website, hdpocketdoors.com. Reach out to any of our social medias, and we'll be sure to get back with you.